And yes, hello everyone. We are live again
Hi.
for our episode of Late Night Talk with Mompreneurs. I'm here now with Sis Isa and yeah, Sis Hazel, Sis Yoli, and Sis Amelia are not here for tonight. But then, since we mentioned last week that we're gonna have discussion for our episodes of Late Night Talk with Mompreneurs every single Friday, so we're here again. So yeah, our topic for tonight is how did we build our
Our big,
business? Yeah,
yeah.
how did we build our business? So Sis Isa, we're gonna be discussing her topic first about this. So Sis Isa.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Hello to all of you who are watching right now, and it's great to be back here in our show Late Night Talk with Mompreneurs. And I'm so grateful to have to be able to share with you how we build our business. So first of all, let's I just wanna also like mention, di ba yung sinasabi kasi natin na how sometimes people are hesitant to start because they don't know how to start their business. So there's no key ingredient on how to start. You just have to start it. And we are lucky enough that in our platform, we already have the tools and the trainings. We already have the blueprint, 'di ba? So kung magaling kang mag-follow ng instructions, which I feel like lahat naman tayo, we all know how to follow instructions. So that means that this business will work for you. Um, the trainings and the tools that we have. So when we started our business, we have the trainings that we had to follow the step by step. And how do I say this? So this training is actually designed to people who are not tech savvy, who are like from different backgrounds. Kasi our community is like full of so many people, like all walks of life, professional people, people from different industry, healthcare, construction workers, right, Sis Dara,
Yes.
mga
Yep.
engineers, and
Yep. Anyone
everyone
can
is
start their business.
like all walks of life are doing this business. So it's easy. It how do I say it? So yun nga, so I was saying, the trainings and the tools that we have are designed for people, for everyday people. Kasi nga, once you know how to follow instruction, then you can start, and you will know how to build your business following those instructions. And also we have mentorship. So when we started this business, we were not doing this alone, and we are being guided by our coach, by our mentors. And also we have an access to our tools and to the training 24/7. So we can, as once you started this business, you already have that access to the trainings 24/7. You can, there's we have a video base. So that's where we kind of like check every day, like 1 hour or 2 hours a day, to check, and then do the training. And that's how we started this business. So yeah, back to you, Sis Dara. So yeah, you want to share something about it?
Yeah, so I'm just gonna add up what Sis Isa has mentioned. So we have the tools and trainings. We have also the unlimited mentorship, right? So this business, you're not gonna start from scratch because it's already the 90% of the work has done for you already. So hindi mo na kailangan na, paano gagawin ko, paano ganyan. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako mag-start. But then, laid out na everything for you. You just have to do the work then. Hindi naman kailangan lang na ibibigay sa'yo lahat, di ba? You have to know the business, you have to study the business. And also, this business has a community, a wide variety of community. I mean, the worldwide community that we have. We are global in this business. Anyone can do this from anywhere in the world, right? And this community actually help each other. So, kaming mga business owners, like Sis Isa, hindi ko siya kilala person. I mean, hindi ko
Yeah,
pa siya na-meet in person,
in
but then
person. We haven't
yeah,
met in
hindi pa
person.
kami
Yes.
nag-meet, right? But then,
Yeah.
through this business, nagkakilala kaming dalawa. We have a lot of business partners na hindi naman talaga magkakakilala, but then this business connect people around the globe na, gusto din ng growth, gusto ng change in life, aside from the monetary na, everyone, I think, monetary has the number one goal. But in this business, hindi yun yung naging goal na namin. It's the friendship, it's the family that we have right now. So yun, we have the community, and also kasi this business, it's about exploring, it's about learning. I thought before, when I was in college, parang after college and then makapag-work ka, and then that's the end of it. Hindi mo na kailangan na alam mo yun, hindi mo na kailangan pang mag-aral. But then through this business, I realized na every day is a learning process. Ang dami ko pa palang kailangan matutunan. And then business has taught me a lot. Hindi lang siya about like, about the business alone, but then yung growth talaga, yung personal growth, iba talaga yung naitulong sa akin. And nakikita nyo naman ngayon, hindi kami nagla-live, never namin talaga ginawa ang mga ganito. But then through this business, we experience all these kinds of things that are new to us, right, Sis Isa? So sobrang ganda ng business natin. So yeah, so we built this business not from scratch, but then laid out everything for us. 90% of the work has been done for us. So you just have to take that leap of faith, di ba, na mag-start. You just have to jump into the business para malaman mo talaga yung whole picture of this. So yeah, if you guys are interested, if you are a mom like us looking for something new, looking for a change, looking for an extra income that you want to provide for your family, at the same time, in the future, it can replace also your 9 to 5 job or whatever job that you have right now. And yeah, this business will probably the solution, or probably something that will that you are looking for, right? So yeah, so Sis Isa, you want to add something pa?
Yeah, I think that's it for us. That's just what we want to share with you guys, that this is how we started our business and this is how we build it. It sometimes kasi we kind of like overthink na, oh, mahirap yan, no, na kung it's actually easy to follow because we have video-based trainings. And as I've said, you can always go back to it like every day because it's video-based, it's all recorded. And yun nga, we have mentorship, we have the community, we have the tools that already laid out in front of you, and just have to grab it. So as Sis Dara said, everyone is welcome here. And if you guys have questions about it and if you're interested, then feel free to message us. Right,
Yeah,
Sis
you are
Dara?
not. Yep, you're not alone in this business. So, like what we did last week, so we have a question for tonight. If you built something new to you, how did you build it? So, yep. This is the late night talk with mompreneurs with Sis Isa, and of course Dara from California. Sis Isa is from
From
Canada.
Canada.
So, yep. See you again next time, and thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you for
Bye.
watching.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Great night, and have a great morning. Bye.
And have a great weekend.
Yeah, have a great weekend. Bye bye.
Bye.